Welcome to AI image generation in React Native. In this course, we are going to build a stunning AI image and art generation application in React Native from scratch. And while building this application, you will learn to explore popular image generation platforms like DALLE-3 by OpenAI, MidJourney, and Imagen for generating images from text inside React Native applications. So by the end of this course, you will be able to use image generation feature of any platform inside your application efficiently and effectively. We will start this course by setting up the environment for React Native with Expo. Next, you will learn to create a simple and beautiful interface for image generation application. After that, you will explore different image generation tools and you will see how these platforms turn text into images and learn how to use them inside your applications. Apart from that, you will learn to download the generated images and use Lottie animations to make your applications more lively and engaging. Whether you are new to React Native or have some experience, this course will help you master AI image generation and guide you in building a real AI-powered application step by step. So enroll now and start your journey in AI and mobile app development.